The Phantom X is Tecno's latest flagship, and there are some features you will need on this device to enjoy it to the fullest, and in this video I will be sharing 4 top features of this device. What's up guys, it's Michael. Shout out to fine brothers located at Owerri for letting me get my hands on the Tecno Phantom X. First feature is Pic Film, where you can find in your stock camera. What it basically does is that you will film 4 videos where each part is for 5 seconds. Then you will pick the mode you want, which is either travel, family, street, sport, party or performance. Then it produces something like this. The second feature is Pic Proof, which you can find in your control panel, that basically shows selected part of your display and you can resize it to your taste. The third feature of the Phantom X is Ella, Tecno's new assistant, and I will say it is still at its early stage, and the interface of Ella is similar to Siri on the iPhone. And ways to activate it is by holding the power button for 0.5 seconds, or you can say, "Hey Ella." I just hope the smart assistant won't be for the Phantom series only. Last but not the least feature of this device is Dark Theme, which will save battery on this device since it has an AMOLED display. And if you are interested in getting this device, you can visit Fine Brothers located at Owerri. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment your thoughts below, and I'll see you on the video showing on your screen right now.